Hello, Team Edibles. Ido Ada is just at the corner. Let me share with you how to make beef stew at home. Please watch the video till the end. Now, let's get started. This is my beef and it's nicely cleaned. So, I go ahead, add salt, add onion powder. Here, I add black pepper, fennel, and then chili. I go ahead, mix all together. We are going to marinate our beef for at least 1 hour. You can keep this in your refrigerator or you keep it at room temperature. In another bowl, I pour in chopped onions. Then I add pepper just to your taste, okay? I add garlic, fresh tomatoes. I have already removed the seeds in it. Then I go ahead add frozen beetroot. I love to add beetroot to my beef stew. Then I add a little bit of water for easy blending. Guys, I'm going to blend this. I will be back. Hello there, we are back. I'm going to use my air fryer to fry my beef. This my air fryer, may trust Lankasa. So I pour everything inside the air fryer, arrange it well. Now let's go. Here I gently push it in and then go ahead set my timer and my temperature. It's 15 minutes, guys. Air fryer no was sorting me out. Fried, check, 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 and check again. Now let's begin to make our stew. In a pan, I go ahead, pour in oil. Here I'm using vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then we allow it to heat up for about a minute or two. And then I add my shredded onions. I give it a stir and then allow the onion to infuse its flavor in the oil. Now it's time to add my tomato paste, stir all together. Hello there, if you are new to my channel, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Thank you. Now it's time to add our tomato puree. When it comes to which one goes first after the onion, trust me, anyone can go first. There is no a specific methodology in cooking. You just need to be creative and you are good to go, okay? So anyone can go first. Now we mix all together and then I go ahead, cover it and allow it to cook on low heat till oil float on top. I'm covering because I don't want it to splash on me, okay? So we come back and check again. Now it's time to add our spices. Here I have rosemary, fenugreek, aniseeds, and then black pepper. I taste my stew before I add salt, and then the unfortunate thing happened. I'm actually using my phone to film, so I had a call whilst filming. Because of that, I couldn't capture where I added the salt and then the fried beef. So sorry about that. Now I cover my stew halfway and then allow it to simmer on low heat till it's fully cooked. And at this point, guys, our beef stew is ready. I keep on covering my stew and then cooking on low heat because I want to prevent splashing. These are the only two things you can do to prevent splashing when you are making stew. Keep it on low heat and also cover it. Okay, you can cover it halfway. Now our stew is ready. What will you pair your beef stew with? For me, this is a preparation towards Eid Day. On Eid Day, I'll be expecting some visitors, so just to reduce stress. So I'm making my stew ahead of time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next one, please stay blessed. Eid Mubarak in advance. May Allah answer our prayers. See you in my next one. Bye bye.